Today we're gonna be installing these vehicle light system. Go between your door panels, dashboard, even set under the dashboard, under the rear seats or the passenger seats. But I'm not gonna install all of that. I'm only gonna install the door panels. I bought this kit on AliExpress for like 30 euro. It's very cheap. I mean cheap. 30 euros is a decent price. It's from AliExpress. I already tested the LEDs. They look very good, very nice. Here are the controllers. And these are just literally plug and play, kinda. I'm not really plug and play, because you need to find a power cable in the door, connect these to the power, and the sub-controllers are connected to each other in with like wirelessly through Bluetooth. And here are the four other LEDs. The four other LEDs strips. They're literally the strips. They're all singular strips, and I'm gonna try to fit them nicely here in between the door panel. So yeah, gonna take off the door panels. Find somewhere to get power from. I think I will get power from the switch, the light switch, the power switch from the power switch. Yeah, so gonna take the power from the light switch. The power is only what the fuck, man. The power is only coming on when the key is turned into ignition. Then there's power coming to the door for the window, and then I can also power on the LEDs. So it will not drain my battery when the car is off, which is very nice. Let's get to it. I'm gonna grab some tools to get the door panel off. I need a screwdriver, and I think something like this will do. Something like this will surely do. I just need the screwdriver, which is also not in here. Just not here. Just here. Okay. This one. Okay, I'm gonna start on the passenger side. So there's one screw.
Tonight I might be hanging from a what's inside of me, I feel so sliding in the beamer all over. Don't say that you love me when you don't. Tonight I might be hanging from a rope. What's inside of me, I feel so cold. Sliding in the beamer all alone. Don't say that you love me when you don't.
Okay, we got the door panel out. Now we need to put the LEDs around here, somewhere from here, all the way up to here. Then we need to get a knife and maybe cut a bit through for the cable connector, or maybe drill a little small hole to put the connector through, and then we can just stuff the LED between here. And on the back it's all one piece. So and I don't know if we can just cut through here with a knife. It's really hard plastic. You have to see. Okay, this is the door naked. And this power cable is the bulb that gives light in the small little door. So this only gets power when the door is open. And these are speakers, so I'm not gonna plug in there. I'm just gonna cut in one of these cables, and there are a lot for just one window switch, which is crazy. You only need to check which cable has constant power when ignition is on, and we're just gonna tap in there. So we got one strip in. That strip, I just tested it and it works. Now we just need to do it on all the other four door panels. Looks very nice and promising.
Tonight I might be hanging from a rope. What's inside of me? I feel so cold. Sliding in the Beamer all alone. Told you that you love me, but you don't. Tonight I might be hanging from a rope. Told you that you love me, but you don't. Tonight I might be hanging from a rope. Told you that you love me, but you
Okay, we got every LED strip and the door panel. Just gonna glue the cable here so it won't move and fall out anymore. And then we're gonna cut a power cable from here. We're gonna solder to one of the power cables here to the power cable from, if I can find it, oh here, to this power cable. And this power cable goes to the controller. And then you're gonna connect the RGB strip to here. And that's about it. So actually I don't need to cut any cables or solder them. I could just push the pin that's on the cable just in the connector. It sticks and it has connection, it has power. I just tested it. Now I just have the last strip in every door. Just trying to find out where the hub connector could sit. I also put glue on the cables here on the back side so that they won't fall out. And that's about it. Put the door panels back, connect everything, figure out a bit out where to put the subcontroller, and then we're finished. So one more test before installing it. I didn't put on this door side because I know it works. The other sides work fine too, as you can see. So this subcontroller is zip tied here to the back. It hides flush nicely. I only need to find out on the front where I can hide them, and then we can put back everything together. It will look very nice in the dark. I'm so happy with the results so far, and it only took me 2 days. So let's finish the job.
Told you that you love me, but you don't.